loser. Where the heck is she going on? Camping? I don't know. Maybe she was. Whoopsies! Looks like it went in the wrong direction last time. Oh, what are you doing back? La 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 la. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey, what did you do? I didn't do anything. You ran over me. No. Look, you ruined my truck. Goodbye. Oh, what is wrong with you these days? Oh, you forgot your dumb book. Thanks. Oh my gosh, these people these days. I am so leaving right now. Here's a good camping. Oh, I can finally get some freedom. Ew, whoa, what are you doing? Are you a hobo? Wait. Who are you? I'm Stella. I'm from those like Lulu and Butterscotch's family. Wait a minute. They ran away because of me. I can't believe they're such weenies. Seriously? My sisters are too. Yeah. They're so weird. That's why I made them run away. If you want, you can go like talk to them about your dumb stuff. Yeah. And you have a teddy bear? Yeah. Really? Oh my gosh. Wait.
Don't you?
Wait, you don't like your sisters?
No, I don't at all. I hate them. That's why I ran away. I hate them so bad that I wanted to run away.
That's what I did. I made my sisters run away because they're so dumb.
Oh.
Stupid. I mean,
so do you think maybe we could be friends, maybe?
Yeah, but my mom and dad are going to worry about me. So, well, I guess I could just stay out here. Who cares about them?
Yeah,
I was born to be wild. See, look at my roar. Roar! Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, that's awesome. Born to be wild.
My car. Whoa, Butterscotch. Mom? What are you guys doing out here? This is the wild. You're not born to be wild. What are you, crazy? You're not supposed to be out here. I think we should. Yeah, I think we should. Now, you're getting in the car. And what is this doing in my car? This is Stella's blanket. You dare touch this? I didn't touch it. Yeah, and you better believe us this time, because maybe I won't. Stella threw it out the window on purpose, and we took it. Then why did you not take it? I mean, it would be better if it's laying on the porch. I don't know, but she threw it out the window on purpose, knowing that we were going to take it. She knew. She knows. She also did squirt the water on us the other day. Yes, she did. I'm not lying either, and I'm not either. Get in the car. Disgusting with you too. You two really make me sick. Mom's coming. Butterscotch! Lulu! Mom, what are you doing here? What? Oh my gosh. I've been looking for you so long. Mom, I could explain. Yeah, we could explain. Look at
old you are. I didn't even get to celebrate all your birthdays, mostly. It doesn't matter, Mom. We're grown now. Just get in the car. Do you hear a car coming? No, I don't hear one. Do you? No. Gosh. We're stranded out here. It doesn't matter. I mean, we're gonna have a good life. I mean... Wait, don't you hear something? I don't know. Stella? Mom? Stella! This is my friend Charlotte. Oh, hi Charlotte. How's it going? It's good. Why are you out here? I ran away from my sisters a long time ago. They're at college now. Oh, wow. Butterscotch? Lulu? Stella? Me. Wow. You. See ya. Bye. Until next time.